guys, welcome to Make Money Online with Prince, and in today's video I'll be showing you a website that pays nothing less than $15 to $20 per day. Yeah, they pay you for answering simple and easy questions you are most familiar with, questions you go around. So guys, this website is a website that most people are not familiar with. Most people are not familiar with it at all. They don't even know about it. But since you've come to my channel and you've seen some goodies that I've posted, and this is among them, so you're going to be the first set of people to enjoy this benefit. But first, before I reveal the website name to you, please, if you're new to my channel, I appreciate you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, and leave a like to this video to really help me and also help you. So when I upload interesting make money online videos like this, you'll be among the first set of people to grab the opportunity. So now let's go. How does this site work? Like I said earlier, it's a survey website where you earn money answering survey questions. Now, what type of questions will you be answering? You'll be answering questions concerning the community you stay around, your country, your state, your health facilities, and things like that. So it's questions you're really similar with. You're really familiar with the questions, so you don't have to stress yourself too much. As you can see here, I made $5 already. Yeah, $5. Still counting. So the survey website is so cool. And you can see now, once I take this survey, I'm guaranteed 42 cents. And if I win, I'm going to have $14. You see, they said complete this survey for a chance to win $14 and earn 42 cents reward. So the 42 cents reward is a guaranteed reward. While the $14 you are going to be earning, if you are lucky enough, is the surveys bonus. So you can see there are a lot more surveys here. This first one here, lasts for 14 minutes. This lasts for 9 minutes. 42 cents, 23 cents. Sometimes you can see survey of $1.53. Let me show you something. I'm going to show you my completed survey. So guys, right here are my completed surveys. As you can see, sweepstake 33 cents. That's the first one. 33 cents. You can see this $1.53. I even did the Netflix survey. Sorry, let me just go back in it. I even did the Netflix survey. As you can see here, I got rewarded 33 cents. So you see, there are things you do almost every day. You watch Netflix almost every day. You go out, you take rides, there's ride sharing, and you take cab or something. So there are things you do every day, and they just need some questions to improve the science or technology backing what they've done, what they've accomplished, something like that. So when you register on the site, you're going to receive a welcome bonus of $1. You're going to receive a welcome bonus of $1 for registering. Then you start taking surveys. You make money. Start taking surveys. Now let me show you the cash out. Let me just head right here. As you can see, the cash out, the minimum cash out is $15, and I made this $5 under a day. Less than a day, I already made $5. So you can imagine, in the next a day plus, I will have reached the cash out limit. I'll have reached the cash out limit and cash my money through my PayPal. So this is it. Let me quickly walk you through how the survey is. I'm going to start one survey right now. Show you how it looks like. then I'll reveal the site, then we end the video. So just hang on a bit. It's going to redirect you to another web page where you'll be taking the surveys. So just hang on a bit. Hang on a bit. Still loading. Sorry about my network is not that strong. And before I forget, this survey is for the United States. The survey is for people staying in the United States. But if you're not staying in the United States, like me, I'm not currently in the United States, you can also access the website, but you're going to use a VPN. Let me show you what the VPN is. As you see, the VPN I'm using Light Sail VPN, as you can see right here. Light Sail VPN is the VPN I'm using. Light Sail. So get the VPN, connect to the United States. For people not staying in the United States, people in Africa, Nigeria, India, stuff like that, but you have a PayPal and you want to make money. So this is not just the citizens of the United States that want to make money. We all want to make money. So I think we can go extra mile for it. So now this is how the survey looks like. As you can see, the first one, please specify your country. Like I said earlier, the surveys are just common, simple questions. They are not asking you to solve algebra or calculus or differentiation or stuff like that. Just simple questions. I'm going to pick USA. Then move over to the next question. So you can see you will qualify if you meet the below criteria. Please read carefully. You must not finish the survey in less than 10 minutes. Please respond to each and every. So these are just the instructions. For each survey you are going to be given some sort of instruction. So please read through, as they are very vital. You can come across a question and the question will ask you to pick a certain option. If you go against it and pick another option, you fail the survey. So please endeavor to read through every single details of the survey. I'm just going to pause the video right now, and because the survey is going to take me like 10 minutes to do, but I'm going to pause the video right now, and once I'm done with the survey, I'll get back to you guys. So let me pause the video. So okay guys, I had to cut the survey because of time and impatience though. The survey was supposed to be a 10 minutes duration, but I just did 1 minute and I ended the survey. As you can see, I was just rewarded 2 cents. 2 cents. So I just wanted to know how this website works and how you should approach the website. You should register and start making money. It's that easy. I'm not going to claim this my 2 cents. It's just like it's a little penny, but it doesn't mean, as you can see, it's being added to my balance. My balance up here is being added. So that's it. And there are more surveys still coming. You can see the surveys. I'm not sure you can ever run out of a survey per day. I don't think so. And note, when you're answering the survey questions, try to be as honest as possible. Make sure you're over 18 years of age and give them everything they want in details. So with that being said, I'm going to reveal the name of the website, and the survey website is called eurekasurveys.com. eurekasurveys.com, as you can see right above there. Eureka Survey, you can see it's just right here. Eureka Survey, just up there. So that is the name of the survey website where you'll be making all this money. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please comment if you're having difficulties in signing up or doing some other things with the website. Thanks guys. Peace.